Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you? Today, inshallah, we will study a new rule. It's a very important rule. We finished the rules of noon, sakin, and tanween. When the tanween followed by a letter, what should we do? Any letter of the 28 letters in Arabic. But today, we will study when the tanween, the double fatha, or the double dhamma, or the double kasra, followed by alif wasl, or you can say hamzat wasl. So how can we read this? If I have tanween followed by hamzat wasl, like this, مثلا, I have here tanween fatha followed by hamzat wasl. How can I read this word? Another example here. Here, tanween dhamma followed by hamzat wasl. خير. Is it possible to say خير? I read clear tanween like this, and 100% we skip Hamzat al-Wasl in the middle. We know that Hamzat al-Wasl in the middle, we don't read it, we skip it. So now I have to move from the Tanween to Ha Sukun. Is this possible? First, let me write something, and you tell me if you can read this or no. Let's say, let's say this word. But let me put the vowels. Ya Fatha, Sin Sukun, and Sukun, and Sheen Fatha. Any word. I have here a letter has sukun followed by another letter has sukun. Is it possible in Arabic to read sin sukun followed by, or a letter has sukun followed by another letter has sukun? Yes, I have yes, yes. How can I do that? Yes, yes, yeah, it's not possible. I can't read two letters has sukun all after each other like that. Can you try? Yes. Yes, ta, yes, the, yes, it didn't come. Okay, so the same here. Tanween is actually nun sukun. How? Do you agree that ron, the ra, with the double dhamma equals this? Ra dhamma followed by nun sukun. This one, ron. This is also ron. So you agree that tanween equals nun sukun. The second dhamma equals nun sukun. Ron, ron. So I can write this shape like this. I can write it like this. Ra dhamma followed by nun sukun. Okay, followed by hamzat al-wasl or alif wasl. And followed by ha sukun. And the rest of the word. Okay, let's try. Ron. How can I move from nun sukun to ha sukun? It is possible to read a letter has sukun followed by a letter has sukun. This rule, its name is actually iltiqa al-sakinain. When the letter has sukun meet another letter has sukun. Iltiqa al-sakinain. Okay? So how can I read that? It's impossible to read it like this. So what should we do? We used to change the sukun, the noon from noon sukun to noon kasra. So instead of saying ron, I will say, instead of ron sukun, I will say runi. Now I can move from ni to ha sukun. Ru nihbitu. Again, so to avoid meeting the two sukuns, we skip one sukun and we make it kasra. So we will say runi, runihbitu. So here I will say khayru, only pronounce one dhamma, and the second dhamma, which is noon sukun, don't read it noon sukun, read it noon kasra. Khayru nihbitu. Now you can read this word. Khayru nihbitu. Another example. Here, I have double fatha. Mathalan. Is it possible to move from lan to lam sukun? Matha. Let me write it like this. Maybe this one. I have lam has double fatha. you agree that the lam double fatha equals lam fatha followed by noon sukoon? Yes, lan. Or let's add the alif. Lan. Okay, so let me write it like this. Lan followed by al-qawm. Hamzat wasl. Hamzat al-wasl followed by lam sukoon. Al-qawmi. Okay, try to read it now. I have lan. Is it possible to move from noon sukoon to lam sukoon? That's impossible. So what should we do? We skip this sukoon. We skip the sukoon, and we make it kasra. Lanil qawmu. Sorry, here. So I will say mathala. Only pronounce one fatha. And the second fatha, which is noon sukoon, make it noon kasra. Mathalanil qawmu. This rule is very important. So here we have the tanween dhamma followed by hamzat wasl, and here we have tanween fatha followed by hamzat wasl. Let's find one tanween. Yeah, this tanween kasra followed by hamzat wasl. So how can we read this one? Ila rabbika yawma idhin. I have tanween kasra. Is it possible to read tanween followed by lam sukun? Hamzat wasl in the middle, but we skip hamzat wasl. We take away hamzat wasl. So let me remove this. Yawma idhin, it's like this. Dal double kasra, which is dal kasra followed by noon sukun. This is then, and this is also then. Then. Now I have then followed by al-mustaqar. Okay. How can I read this now? Then, it's impossible. We can't read sukoon followed by sukoon. So change this sukoon and you make it kasra. Dhinil. So here you will say yawma idhinil mustaqar ila rabbika yawma idhinil mustaqar. I always tell students, if you forgot the reason, why should we read it like that? So remember, if you have tanween fatha or tanween dhamma or tanween kasra followed by alif wasl or hamzat wasl, some books say hamzat wasl and other books say alif wasl or hamzat wasl. Okay, what should we do? Take away one of the tanween, remove one, and add noon kasra. So here, take away the kasra and add noon has kasra. يومئذ المستقر. Okay, how do we do that? خير, take away one dhamma and add noon has kasra. خير نهبط. Last one. This one. ساء مثلا, remove one fatha and add noon kasra. مثلا القوم. Inshallah, this was clear for you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.